Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to test run your internet speed on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how and confirm your internet speed without any stress. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and click on Start. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Network and Internet. Then go ahead and click on Property. And scroll down right here, all the way down. Go ahead and click on Run an Internet Speed Test. And it's going to redirect you to Edge browser browsing page right here. So you can see it's loading right here. So just like so, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Start right here. Then allow the speed to test just like to what you see right here. You can see ping right here is 20 minutes and download speed. So allow everything to run completely. Then this will give you a kind of full knowledge about the type of internet you are using and how your internet speed are moving. That's like what you see right here. Now, this is for download speed right here, which is 21.68 MB. Let's take a look at the upload speed. And then here, upload speed here, the upload speed here is 35.53 MB right here. So it's that simple. Then it's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.